Hey beauties, welcome to today's video. It has been a hot minute since I have filmed one of these. And if you actually read the title of the video, you'll know that we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. I used to do these all the time on my channel, and then I don't know why I stopped. I never stopped receiving the boxes. I just stopped reviewing them, but we're gonna do that today. I actually just peeled the sticker off right here, but I have not cracked into it yet. Usually I open it right away and I look at everything, and then I decide to, well, I haven't decided to film it in a while, but we are here. This is the Premium Boxycharm, and we're just gonna hop into it. Open it up. This is a quick little peek. I see something sitting right on top, but I don't want to look at that yet. Here is the card. It is hashtag Boxy Spring Revival this month. Every month you do get a little card like this. On the back it says everything that you got in your box, plus the price of each item if you were to buy it retail. So let's hop right on in. The first thing that is right on top is from Iconic London. It is the Brow Silk Kit. It says, perfect for babes of all hair colors. The unique formula brings together all the best bits of brow soaps, waxes, and gels in one silky conditioning balm. Creating a clear film over your brows, it gives unbeatable lift and hold with zero chalky residue or crunchiness. Gripping every single hair, Brow Silk boosts sparse patches and makes arches appear thicker to save precious brow filling in time. This retails for $25. I have seen other Boxycharm unboxings, so I kind of was expecting this. It comes with the wax here and the brush. It looks like a giant toothbrush, like I could brush my teeth with it. I wouldn't advise it, but yeah, you could if you're in a pinch for a toothbrush. This is the product here. You do get a little mirror. This is the wax. I'm not going to use it right now because my makeup is already on, but I will try this out and test it out for you in the future. That is the first thing. Next up, I was hoping I was going to get this. Let's open the box. I'm excited for this one. This is Natasha Denona. This is the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. This retails for $42. It says, a perfect pairing of Natasha's iconic cheek formulas. The Cupid Cheek Duo features a lightweight hydrating cream blush and a luminous powder highlighter in 2 shades that flatter all skin tones. Both formulas can be applied with a brush or fingertips, meaning it's all you need for on-the-go glow. I was really hoping that I got this variation. It is absolutely stunning. Let me swatch because, oh, that blush is so creamy. Here are the swatches. You have the cream blush right here. It is very luminous, very beautiful. And there is the highlighter. Again, I cannot wait to wear these. So far, so good. I haven't been too impressed with Boxycharm lately. I think that's maybe why I haven't been reviewing them. But so far, with the brow wax, which I desperately needed to get into trying that technique, because I got some crazy brows, and the Natasha Denona, we are on a roll. And all this paper. From Dr. Brandt, we have the eye cream. This retails for $82. Just about $100 for an eye cream. This thing better work wonders. What does this say? It says, an eye cream that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, moisturizes the eye area, fades the appearance of dark circles, and reduces the look of puffiness. So this will definitely be tested out very soon as well. From Mitchell and Peach, we have the English Leaf Body Oil. This is what the box looks like. Let's open this. Ooh, the bottle looks really nice. It's a nice glass bottle. What does it smell like? Oh, okay, so there's no stopper on the top of this. It is just wide open there. Be very careful. I was expecting them to be like one of those where you can like shake it and a drop comes out. No. You tip this over and you're gonna lose a lot of oil. What does this say? This retails for $68. It says, blended with almond oil and vitamin E, this decadent body oil leaves skin soft and scented. So it's just a body oil. Let's put some on my arms here. I'm very scared about this topper. I'm just gonna put my finger over it and kind of do that. Put that on before I spill it. It has a fresh citrusy kind of scent to it. It smells really nice. Actually, I'm going to do my other arm. My skin has been so dry lately that I think I'm really going to enjoy this. It smells really good. A little bit of floral in the background and a lot of citrus. Smells amazing. Next up we have my beauty brand X by Me. I don't know. Never heard of this before. This is a black liquid eyeliner. This retails for $20. It says your new holy grail product created for both the eyeliner expert and winged-eyed novice. The flexible felt tip combined with highly pigmented, smudge-proof color guarantees a long-lasting and intensely defined look. I love me a black felt tip liner. I've recently tried out the breakout proof eyeliner from Wet n Wild, and I gotta say that was amazing. The packaging is nice. It's sleek, it's white and black. Ooh, that looks like quite a large felt tip liner. Let's see how this... Whoa. It glides on seamlessly. Like, that really glides on. I think that's gonna be a really nice eyeliner. And the last thing I see in the box, ooh, it's a hydrating lip balm from Endota Organics. I don't think I've ever heard of them either. This retails for $25. It says, protect your pout with this natural organic lip balm that's packed with super hydrating ingredients. With a gorgeous glossy finish, this hydrating lip balm will soothe cracked or chapped lips and protect skin from dryness. Cocoa butter, calendula, and vitamin E assist in visibly reviving delicate lips to keep them looking healthy and feeling luscious. While cooling peppermint oil provides a hint of freshness, this versatile balm can also be used to help restore moisture to the cuticles in areas that regularly experience dryness. So let's open this. My lips are so chapped right now. I have on a different gloss I'm going to remove. Grab this little mirror here. Let's try this on. I like that it comes with the slanted applicator tip there. It is hard to push out. I can't even push it out. Oh shoot. Okay. So it was really hard to get going, and then once it got going, it kind of all squirted out. I think that is the shea butter or whatever it said it was in there. Kind of like coconut oil. It kind of hardens up and then it liquefies as it heats up. It smells good. It definitely smells minty. It's just a lip balm, so there's not much to really see. Hopefully this can fix the problems I have going on with my lips right now, because they are really bad. And just nothing I've been using has been working, so let's hope for this. All right, let's tally up the entire total value of our box. The entire total of our box comes to $262. Overall, you definitely get your money's worth when you buy Boxycharm. This was a fantastic month. I will be doing a video soon using all of these products. Cannot wait. Anyways, guys, if you like Boxycharm unboxings and you want me to get back into doing more of them, then please give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you liked it. Also, leave me a comment down below if you yourself received Boxycharm. If you do, did you get the same variations as me? Are you happy about it? Are you not so happy about it? If you're not already a part of the Men's Beauty family, head down there and hit subscribe. Next to that, you'll find the bell that you can turn on if you would like to be notified of upcoming videos. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.